Congratulations for Forbes SmartClean with home mapping. Let's dive right in and see what comes in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Forbes SmartClean Robotic Vacuum Cleaner, warranty card, the charging dock and adapter, mopping cloths, mop holder and dust tank, high-performance HEPA filter, side brushes and the cleaning tool. Now let's bring this Forbes SmartClean with home mapping to life. Let's set it up together. Step 1. Place the charging dock close to a flat, hard surface. Ensure no obstacles within 5 feet in front and 1.5 feet on both sides. Step 2. Connect the charging dock to a power source. Step 3. Remove the protective strips on the front bumper. Step 4. Align the side brushes with the designated holes and press gently. Step 5. Switch on the Forbes SmartClean and let it charge fully for about 5 hours. Your Forbes SmartClean with home mapping is now installed and ready to connect. Jump to the next section where we learn how to operate